you can now generate a document using Claude AI. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create and modify a CSV document using Claude AI. So here's what you need to do. First, let's navigate to Claude.ai, or you can also use the app version of this platform. And then make sure that you're using the paid version of Claude, because this feature is, at least right now when I'm recording this video, is only available if you're paying for the Pro or Max or the Team subscription in the platform. Otherwise, this feature is not available. But perhaps I think they're going to put this for the free users in the future. But again, right now when I'm recording this video, it is only for the paid user. Now, after that, you have to navigate to settings, because there is one option that we need to enable first. So let's open settings, and then you can navigate to capabilities. So enable something called code execution and file creation right here, and then enable allow network egress, and just use the default setting. Now we can start a new chat. So basically, if you are working with AI, you can just use a plain English. And in this case, I want to create a CSV document, and this is the prompt that I'm going to use. Please do a research and then give me a detailed information about the growth of electric bicycle between the year 2000 all the way to 2025. And after that, please generate a CSV file that I can preview and then download. Okay, just wait for it. And let me just double check the spelling. Okay, everything looks good. So basically, you want to make sure that you are telling AI that you want to create a CSV document, and also you might want to preview and download the document, because sometimes, even though not very often, sometimes it might be not able to create the document at all. So be sure to specify that you want to preview and download the document, and therefore it will force AI to create a document in the format that is able to be previewed directly in the platform. Now after that, you can enable various options like the web search. You can use the thinking model, and in this case I'll just use the default setting and I'll just send a message. Now just wait for Claude to use its tool, which in this case it is using the code execution, which is very similar to the code interpreter feature in ChatGPT. So it is basically using plenty of tools. It is using the web search, and it is using some Python code to generate a document. Okay, so there you go. It is still giving me the summary, but after that, it should be able to generate a document after it is finished creating the answer. There you go. So now it is finally start creating the CSV document. Okay, so this is the result. It should open the preview on the right side of the screen, and after that you can download the document to your computer. If you have connected your account with Google Drive, then you should be able to put that document into Google Drive right here. Now I highly recommend to actually download the document to your computer, because this preview can be inaccurate. The number or the formatting is not exactly the same as the one when you are previewing the document via Google Sheets or perhaps Microsoft Excel. So always download the document and preview using a more appropriate software. Now, I have downloaded the document to my computer, and I want to modify the document. So I'm going to start a new chat again. Now, you don't have to start a new chat. You can actually continue the chat normally in the same window, but I just want to show you that you can use your existing document to be modified by Claude AI. So let me just drag and drop that document right here. And I guess I want to modify, let me see what else I can do here. Okay, so I want you to modify this document, and please add a new column to specify the types of electric bicycle that is the most popular in any given year. Okay, there you go. I'm going to send a message and just wait for AI to analyze the content, do some research, and eventually it will modify the document. So I'll just skip a word and I'll show you the final result. And there is another thing later that I would do to this document. It's going to be interesting. Okay, so this is the result, and as you can see, it added another column right here. It specified the most popular type of the e-bike in any given year. Now, the code execution feature in Claude is not only for creating a CSV document, you can also use it to create a PDF presentation, a simple Google Docs document, etc. Now I'm going to turn this into a presentation. So this is the prompt that I'm going to use. Hey, please convert this data into a simple PowerPoint presentation document. There you go. Just use a simple plain English. Send a message and it will again automatically use the code execution feature to turn this document into yet another type of document. And of course, I'll just skip a word and I'll show you the result. Okay, so it took actually almost 5 minutes to finish this, but as you can see, the document looks pretty. It is actually way better, visually way better than the version that I got using ChatGPT. If you remember my previous video, I made some PowerPoint documents using ChatGPT with the code interpreter feature. It is possible, but it is not as pretty as this one. This one from Claude AI has plenty of colors and visualization, so it's just more engaging than the basic text version that was created by ChatGPT. And of course, you can download this document to your computer. You can also save it to your Google Drive. It's up to you. But that's basically how you can generate and modify a CSV document using Claude, and of course you can turn it into a different format, of course using Claude AI. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.